She's the manager of communications. IIEC has since gazetted 30 days for the inspection of the register, which commenced countrywide on 11th of June and will run until the 11th of July this year. For the upcoming Matuga and the civic by-elections, which are scheduled for the 12th of July this year, this exercise started from 8th of June and is set to end on the 7th of July 2010. This is the period that allows IIEC to open the register for public inspection where necessary. Corrections can be raised in the form of claims or objections. Inspection is being done at every gazetted registration and polling center in every constituency. The process of public inspection of the register allows participation by the Mwananchi in building a credible register. We therefore urge Kenyans to come out in large numbers to help verify the register. Developing a clean, credible register cannot be done by IIEC alone. The public can help not only through checking their names, but also by checking that no dead persons are on the register. It's the people of a particular locality who can clean up their register through their vigilance and notification to IIEC. The Commission has put in place various mechanisms to clean up the register. These include IIEC has internal mechanisms for cleaning up the register which are ongoing. IIEC has hired over 50,000 clerks to proofread the printed register against our backup manual register. The other internal mechanism involves collaboration with the Immigration, the National Registration Bureau, and the Registrar of Births and Deaths. IIEC, in collaboration with the National Registration Bureau, is able to check authenticity of and existence of all IDs used for registration. We have also been able to verify the identity cards against a corresponding passport. As a result, the Commission has been able to identify persons who registered with the fake identity cards, and we shall inform you of this in due course. IIEC has also a mechanism to weed out double registration. On this front, IIEC has issued an amnesty to those who may have taken more than one voter's card to surrender all the additional cards by the end of the inspection period, after which legal action will be taken. Other cleanup mechanisms include the central matching of all data. The Commission has a matching server which allows for identification of persons who have registered in different polling stations with the same ID or have registered both with an ID and a passport. Apart from this, the serial numbers of all voters' cards issued are provided alongside the register and can be checked for authenticity using ultraviolet detection light during polling day. All voters' cards are pre-printed with security features that are not visible to the naked eye. Yes, there are some errors in the register, but there should be no cause for alarm. The errors are, however, not as high as reported in some of the media. IIEC has recruited 2 voter educators per ward in all the 13 wards in Matuga to mobilize the public to come out and inspect the register. IIEC has also an auditable process in the development of the register. Hence, any missing names can be easily traced. We therefore wish to assure the people of Matuga and in all the civic wards where there will be by-elections that these errors will be sorted out before the by-elections. We also wish to inform Kenyans that we have developed a short messaging system, SMS-based query, that will allow a mobile phone user to type in the identity card number and send to 3007. The registration details will be sent back to the voter, who will be advised to visit the center to make any necessary correction in case of an error. This SMS inquiry will start running from Wednesday, 23rd of June this year, on all mobile operator networks, Safaricom, Zain, and Orange. Like this Batuga list, when it was first released as an initial draft, there were so many missing names, it's true. But it's not as many as the candidates claimed. And again, we have just confirmed, because we just go and call every polling station, how many were registered in your polling station. They will say 277. How many have been captured in the register? They will say 200. So you know how many names are missing. And you can actually go and find out where that information, that data, where it has been captured.